Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw a kind of a younger wolf. So it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, and let's get started. Alright, you should be able to start do this. It's going to be a side view. I'm going to pull a line right here for kind of the snout, and it's going to be short. Okay, it's going to be a very short snout. Going to pull down, back. Alright, it's going to be the snout sticking up. Line over here, up. Fill in the nose. Okay. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna, oops a daisy, paper's moving. Curve up for the forehead area. Curve back. Out over here for the ear. Okay. Ear's gonna be really big on the head, and the head is gonna be very big because it's like a younger wolf. So I'm gonna here curve downward. Okay, I'm gonna pull back a little bit more on this now, down the neck. Go over here, small chest. Don't forget to hit like if you want more animals. I will do way more animals. Alrighty, just let me know. Hit that like button. It's gonna let me know what you want more of. Smile. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna draw the eyes closed, kind of like he's just thinking to himself, right? So it's gonna be a curved line like that. You can actually make the line a little bit bigger, pull it back, kind of a little bit thick right there. Kind of give it more like it looks like the eyelash of the wolf. Line up. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull back. Curve. Curve over here for kind of the hair on the neck. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna pull a little bit more. Pull down. Curve as he's sitting on the ground. Okay. Let's go into the ear. So I'm gonna go over here to the ear area, pull in, curve up. And there's gonna be a little bit of hair in the ear. Right? Pull a line inward right there. So far so good, right? Okay. Staying with me? Alright. Gonna go right here, pull up, curve down. Over here, just gonna have a little bit of fuzz on the chest there. So zigzag in. Pulling in. Curve down. Curve over here, up. Curve right here for the leg, hind leg. Curve over here. Right here where he's sitting down. Alright, so smaller body, bigger head. That's kind of the general idea. If you want to learn more about this way to draw, go and check out the drawing ebook that I have in the description. Go check that stuff out. That's really kind of important, and it'll be fun to do. So go take a look. It's totally free as well for the ebook. I'm gonna go over here, find the far side foot, pull in, curve back. Over here on this side, curve up, zigzag right here for the tail. Pull back right there. Okay, almost, kind of almost done, right? So almost done. Now we're gonna look into the color differentiation, like kind of the color on him. So we're gonna draw a thinner line. Well, actually, the first thing I'm gonna do is this, kind of this fuzzy cheek. But from there, I'm gonna draw the thin line from here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. And kind of over here on the tail as well, thin line right here for the tail. Kind of like some stuff right there. If you want, you can do the same thing at the paws, but you don't really have to. One last thing you can do is you can throw, and I'll probably do it right now, is you can draw a thick line just around the outside of the entire character. Like I said, definitely hit the like if you like this kind of stuff. I will do a lot more of it. Curve right here. Line over here. Curve. Again, just trying to like do this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. We are almost at 200,000 followers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you actually learned a lot from this. If you did, like I said, hit the like, subscribe. What I want to do is I want you to hear your ideas. Let me know if there's something specific that you want to see drawn, if there's a specific animal. Just let me know in the comments, and that's going to be a huge, huge help. But thank you so much. Let me do just a little more right here on the edge. But that's pretty much everything. Okay. I want to thank you very much, and you'll kind of see a lot more of me. I'm gonna try to post. I was in vacation for the last few days, so hopefully this will get out there a lot more. Don't forget the stuff in the description, like Skillshare. If you want to learn how to draw in general, not just this stuff. If you want to learn how to draw in general, go check out the Skillshare. There's a lot of videos on how to draw stuff. Hopefully you're gonna have an amazing time with that. If you sign up for Skillshare right now through this link, I believe it gives you like 1 month for free. It's the first few people that click that link are gonna get the Skillshare for free for I think a month. Otherwise, yeah, it's been great, and you guys are the reason I'm here. And yeah, please reach out, say hi to me in the comments section. Let me know in the comments section, like just if you say anything, I'm gonna reply. Okay. All right. Hope that's good. Remember, every drawing stroke that you make is on your way to becoming a better artist, so keep doing it. Later.